Guys, we're here at the Ti-Trikes booth here at CycleCon 23 with my pal Ken. Ken, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Okay, Ken. So we're going to take a look at a couple, three trikes or quads here. What do we have right here?
So this is our quad. It's 4 wheels, has a 1,000 watt motor. It has a rear differential for the 2 wheels. It's got a mid-drive motor, but not on the crank. It's actually built into the frame. And then it has 2 shock absorbers in the rear. It has steering dampers in the front. It's a titanium frame, and it's all polished titanium. So we don't paint our bikes. You can get different color seating, but and this is the fat tire version. You can also get a thin tire version, which is 2-inch wheels, but the fat tire is 4-inch. They're all 20-inch wheels. It's super adjustable. The seating system is very adjustable up and back, up and down. It's pressure foam. It's a 2-piece seating system. It's not a sling seat like most of the other people have. There are several accessories. You can get different rear ends on this. So you can get a basket. You can also get it as a cargo bike. Same thing with the steering mechanism. We don't do lower steering because that physiologically is the wrong position. So we use like on a bicycle or like on a motorcycle where the wrists are in an upper position. That's our quad.
Okay.
So this is the Ti-Trikes Roadster. There's a few different options that are on this one that are accessories that are available. It has a different type of style rack. It also has fenders, both on front and rear. These are accessories. It has the same seating system. It has a 750 watt motor.
Okay.
Which are brushless motors, geared brushless. They're not direct drive motors. We use all 48 volt batteries. And we have there's 20 speeds. There's a 2-speed planetary gear in the front, which is an FSA Metropolis. And then we have a 10-speed Shimano on a Shimano derailleur for the rear.
What do we have here on the pedestal?
Okay. This is our Handcycle. The Handcycle is, again, like all of our trikes are super adjustable. And with this, for somebody to get in and out of a trike, out of a Handcycle from a wheelchair, the crank can move forward and backward, and the handlebars can go down, so that's how you can get in and out of the bike. All of our bikes are at 18-inch seat height, so it's the same as a wheelchair. So when somebody's in a wheelchair, unlike a top-end wheelchair, which they have to get down on the ground almost to get into, on this they're at 18-inch and they go with a slide board from chair to chair. And we can put the Handcycle on any of our bikes. So you can get our quad in a Handcycle, you can get our Roadster in a Handcycle, and you can get our T250 in a Handcycle. Or if you're going to go non-power, you can get our manual bikes as a manual Handcycle.
So you have like a modular setup here, right? So you just pop it up. That's very interesting. Okay. Finally, this smaller-looking trike. What do we have?
So this is our 250, and the 250 model has a 500-watt 48-volt motor. This particular one is customized for somebody that's 4'7" that's coming this afternoon, and we built this specifically for that person. Our standard will go from about 5 foot to about 6'5", and then to get beyond that, we customize the frame. Because we manufacture in the United States, and we manufacture these are all made in Connecticut, we can go up to, we've gone up to 7'1" for riders and as short as 4'7". So we can do whatever size the person needs. The other thing with all of our bikes is because we're a titanium frame and because of the way we build, we can have we have a weight limit of 450 pounds. So we have a much higher weight limit than most of the other manufacturers.
Okay. So all titanium, all made in the USA, in Connecticut, They're great trikes. They're robust. And just check out Ti-Trikes, guys. Ken makes great products here. So, Ken, thanks for showing us around. Okay.